Welcome back to your 30 days of yoga. We're on to day 15 and I'm feeling a little bit frisky, so we're actually going to do a balancing posture, Warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3, which can be a little bit wobbly, a little bit scary, but also fun and gives us lots of energy. So I'm actually going to start from a high lunge, which we haven't been over yet, but it's very similar to Warrior 1. So starting in Trikonasana, you can also come to this from downward facing dog. Simply step the left foot all the way behind you. I'm sure a lot of you have been in a lunge before. So you're really high on the ball of the back foot. The front knee is over the front ankle, as always in our standing. Tuck the tailbone, energy through the front body. Hands are going to come through the heart center, roll the shoulders. Just really get energized in the back legs and squeeze the inner thighs together. Really fire this up rather than just letting this be really floppy. This is where our Warrior 3 is going to find that energy. So squeezing everything in. Hands are at the heart, roll the shoulders. Navel is drawing in towards the spine, so everything is switched on. From this space, just start to bring your heart forward. Your weight starts to come into your right foot a little more, your right leg. And you come onto the big toe of your left foot. Already you might feel a lot of shakes like me. Can you lengthen your heart a little more? Stay long in the breath. Take an inhale and an exhale. Start to bring your weight even further onto the right foot so your left leg starts to lift. Warrior 3. Now really press the left foot away from you as if you're pressing the foot into an imaginary wall. Both hip bones are dialing down. Lift the heart, stay really long in your spine and in your breath. You can stay here with the hands, or maybe send the arms all the way down by your side. Or if you're feeling a little wild, sending the fingertips all the way up and overhead. I'm going to keep them at the heart center. We're going to take a breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Or one more. Keep squeezing the inner thighs together. Inhale. And as you exhale, gently land the left foot all the way down and come back into your high lunge, fingertips overhead. Just finding a little bit of a reach. Exhale, bring the hands back down, back to the heart center, roll the shoulders. We're simply going to step the left foot to meet the right at the top of the mat. Come back to Tadasana, mountain pose. Roll the shoulders, just come back to your breath, come back to your heart, probably beating a lot faster. Enjoy it, feel the blood flowing around your body. Weight comes into the left foot, coming back to our high lunge with the right leg back. Simply stepping that all the way back. You're high on the ball of the right foot. That right heel is pointing up, energy is in the right leg, tailbone is tucking, front knee over the front ankle. Hands at the heart center, roll the shoulders, lift the heart. Strong connected high lunge. Inner thighs again, squeezing towards one another. Start to bring your weight forward over the left leg. Come onto the big toe of your right foot. You know what's coming now. So start to enjoy it a little more. All those shakes, that prana energy running through. Press your weight into your left foot. As you inhale, start to lift the right leg all the way up. Press the right foot away, as if you're pressing into an imaginary wall. Energy is through that right foot. Both hips are level. Pelvic floor is engaging. Navel is drawing into the spine, heart is lifting. Again, you can stay with the hands at the heart center, or down reaching behind you, or maybe out in front of you. I'm going to keep mine here. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Keep squeezing the inner thighs. Tailbone is tucking, everything is working. One more, inhale. And as you exhale, gently, softly land the right foot all the way back into your high lunge. Lift the heart. And stepping the right foot all the way back to your Tadasana. Rolling the shoulders, hands come down at the heart center. Enjoy that blood flow, enjoy the energy, enjoy the heat. Take another breath, inhale. And a big sigh out through the mouth, exhale. And that is your very energetic Warrior 3 on day 15. I shall see you tomorrow for more.